Hey, my name is Arif Billah. Today I will show you how to deploy Lightspeed web server in AWS. Okay, so you have to log in your AWS account and go to the EC2 console. You see here EC2 interface console. First of all, you go to and click launch instance, and now you write your web server name. So I just write here Lightspeed. Okay, you can write whatever you like. And now you just search here Lightspeed. Okay, sorry, we click on the browse more. You see here, I just go to the launch instance again, and here you write at first Lightspeed, then you go to browser more AMIs. Okay, so you just click on browse more AMI and search here Lightspeed. Okay, so you see here, so 6 result in AWS marketplace AMIs. So just click on 6 page result, and now you see here the fast Wordpress with Lightspeed cache. Okay, so there are a lot of AMI that using Lightspeed web server. Okay, but we use this one, fast one will be good. And continue. Okay, you see here, select open Lightspeed AMI, and instant type is T2 micro. It's okay, you can increase the vCPU and increase. You see here T2 X large, there 8 vCPU and 32 GB memory, but I take this one at fast. Okay, then you select a key pair. If you haven't any key pair, just create a key pair from here. Just click create a new key pair and write a key pair name and click on the create. Okay, so okay, I have already key pair, so I don't create this one. And the secondly, create a security group. If you have an already security group, you can select. So I just show you how to actually create security group. You just select all the check mark box. Okay, and here 8 GB web storage, you will increase it according to your project. No, I just part here 10 GB. I just show you how to actually install. You can here part 15 GB, 100 GB, whatever you like. Okay, and here advanced tab, we don't need anything from advanced. Okay, so okay, number of instance, I just create one web server, one Lightspeed web server. Okay, after selecting all the section here, just click launch instance, and there need few minutes to deploy Lightspeed web server AMIs. Okay, you see here successfully launched, and click on view all instance. Okay, and here reload. Okay, we see here Lightspeed our on of instance here, and now the instance is pending. Okay, I just click on there, and I just copy the IP address, and we go to the domain console panel, and you see here I part the domain on Cloudflare, and here part my IP address to connect the domain to my web server. Okay, sometime it may take 12 hours or 24 hours. Okay, up to 24 hours. I just go to overview and park. Okay, and now again go to our AWS console panel, and if we reload this page, okay, now I see here this instance is running. Okay, just click on the connect, and again click on the connect. Okay, so you can log in this web server using putty. You see here this putty. failed to connect instance, you are unable to connect instance. Make sure that instance network setting are configured correctly. So close this tab, and again it's running. Oh, it's initializing. Let's wait. Okay, let's try again. Connect. Connect. Okay, let's try it using putty. I think you know about putty. If you don't know about putty, you can see another tutorial from my channel. Okay, if we reload there again, copy. So after a few minutes, I think it will be working. If not working, then you will install putty, and this process we do all the things using this putty. Okay, you just need to do first step, you need to install putty, and here you write server IP and click on SSH auth tab and select your SSH key. Just these 3 steps you need to extra for this putty. Okay, and open. Okay, there is also problem. We think our configuration has any problem. Yeah, you see here, actually you will get also this problem. So I show you the solution of this. You just click on the security group and click on the edit inbound rules, and you add another rules. The rule is SSH. Okay, and select this one, 0.000/0. Okay, so okay, save rules. Yeah, let's try using AWS at first, then we try it using putty. Okay, this one is yes, Lightspeed. This one, connect and connect. Wow, it's working now. So here you see at the bottom your domain name. I just go to my domain and just copy from here my domain name and paste there. Okay, please verify it is correct. Write Y and hit enter. Okay, and now do you wish issue let's encrypt SSL let's encrypt certificate for this domain? Yes, we need SSL certificate for this domain. Just write Y and hit enter. Please enter your email. Okay, if you have any issues, you can send email from me. So this is my email address. Y, hit enter. Okay, do you wish force HTTP? Yes, we need to force HTTPS. Do you wish to upgrade the system now? This will update the web server as well. Yes, we need to update the web server. Okay, okay, it will processing. 30% done. One more things, when you connect this EC2 instant PowerShell, first time you will get this interface. Here you will show domain adding option, but after first time you will after second time or more next time you will not get this interface. You just get this system status. First time you will take you will give here domain name and necessary information only for the first time. Okay, I just push the video and I will get back after the process complete. Okay, the process is complete. Enjoy your accelerated open Lightspeed server. Okay, scroll top and you will get two comment here. You see here sudo cat home ubuntu, that is db password, and you can get web admin password. Okay, so first of all we go to this link. Okay, just copy this link and just paste here and enter. Okay, you see process. Okay, click on the advanced tab and process 2 and click in United States your site title. I just write my blog admin and this is password. I just copied the password and my email. Install WordPress. Okay, my installation is complete. Okay, now I can log in. Okay, my Gmail and the password is okay, login. Okay, we don't need anything from there. When you enter using SSS, you will see the system status from there. Okay, so you can close this tab and go to the setting, general, and here you see website address is IP address, but we paste here our website address. Okay, and now we little scroll bottom and you will get save change button. Just click save change button. Okay, and now again we log in using my domain. Okay, it's not correct because of my password. Okay, and login. Wow, it's working. Let's see actually how much speedy this website and the GT matrix result. Okay, so that's why we go to GT matrix website, gtmatrix.com, and now put here your your website address and click test your site. Also we visit Google site speed, Google page speed, dev web, and now enter our domain name and analyze. Okay, generating. Oh wow, GTMat is great. This is the performance is 99% struck to 97%. Our server response rate 0.5 second and fully loaded 1.1 second, and all the there are no issue. All the section are good. Okay, you see, and here 100% Google page speed. So I think you understand and you can do it easily yourself. There no needed any coding knowledge or technical knowledge. Think you can understand all the things and you can do it yourself. Okay, so if you have any help or if you face any issues, you can contact with me. Thank you.